What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another session of Brew Break and Fix. Doing fantastic, and hope you guys are having a really good weekend. And if you're in Melbourne, Australia, you must be feeling really boiling because it was a heat wave
Oh, is that right?
today. Mm. How's the weather there, Tori?
Perfect as usual.
I like that. Perfect.
Today's actually very nice. It's
Yeah,
very yeah, it's breezy and comfortable, and it's a nice quiet weekend day. Blue sky.
brilliant.
Should I go
Oh,
on? Should I go on?
okay. Oh, yeah, you're just making me feel really jealous. I actually want to move to Bali right now.
Sorry.
All right, guys. So before we get started into some action, let's get the acknowledgement of the country and respect for our elders.
I begin today by acknowledging the traditional custodians of the land on which we gather today and pay my respects to their elders past, present, and future. I extend that respect to Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander people here today.
Fantastic. So that is all out of the way.
Ow, ow, ow,
Um,
ow, 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 ow.
who's that?
My dog is biting people.
uh, give him some food, man.
Yeah, I just fed him. He gets really excited when he's gonna go for a walk, so he'll start chewing on you.
It's funny.
Yeah.
Cool. So yeah, just to give a bit of a recap, um, we y- on Friday we did work on removing the connection ID from the database. No, sorry, that was on Thursday. On Friday we did, as in, yeah, we worked on connecting the clients to the um, WebSocket server, and then also, oh, what's happening to my brain? Yeah, and then we also made sure that when client is connected, it inserts the connection ID in DynamoDB, which was working fantastic. Uh, so today we're gonna try and send a message from our client to the web server, and that would be our first step on moving forward. So the overall functionality will probably be as in when we send a message to the server, it will actually send send the response to all other users that are connected to the WebSocket at that moment of time. Does that make sense?
Mm-hmm.
Cool. So how about if you share your screen, Tori, because you're way better than me in JavaScript, especially front
No,
end.
no, I'm a C# guy.
um, do you know how to write hello world in C sharp? Because I don't know, so maybe you could teach me.
No, I don't know anything about C#. Being
Oh,
totally facetious there.
okay.
How is C# though? You like it? You enjoy it?
Oh, yeah, it's a really powerful
Yeah, I've
um
heard good things.
language, though. Yeah. So that's been really good. Do you want to share your
Oh
screen,
yeah, yeah.
maybe? Yeah.
Share screen.
Oh man, and today I was working on the new streaming software that I've got, as in
Oh yeah.
for the team, and I'm actually realizing I'm really bad at this. I find designing, as in graphical designing, really boring.
Yeah. Me too, unless it looks good.
Yeah, but
That's
yeah, because I was trying to, even though the themes just need to be imported, but the live coding screen or the scene has to be done from scratch because it's for two people. So I tried my best, but then I was just falling asleep, and it was that
oh,
boring.
it's like a frame. Is that what you're
Yeah,
saying?
yeah,
Gotcha.
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then I just turned back to my, so I'm doing kind of training exam for the purpose of work as well. So I've had that pending. So I just jumped on on that one.
Gotcha. Yeah, I mean, that's what I would do. I'm not gonna like spend a lot of time on that stuff. I'm not good at it. I don't have the patience.
Yeah, true though. Yeah, I think it's not even about patience for me, but it's just that I don't have any interest in graphical designing
If you
or
don't, that's the thing. If you don't have interest, you won't have the patience.
that would make sense.
You
Yeah,
know?
yeah,
Is
that
this
makes
wow? I was like looking up how you write "Hello World" in C sharp. Are you kidding me? Is it? Oh, okay.
Where?
Oh, it's just console right line. Okay.
Yeah.
No, I
I
saw
was
this
being
big block of
sarcastic,
text.
by the
I saw this big block of text. I was like, "What? What is this?
way. No.
Is this is this Java again?" And then no, okay, I just didn't read carefully enough. Um, you can see my screen, right?
Yeah, I can.
Okay, cool. What are we doing again?
Okay,
um,
so we need to send a message from the client. So for example, if we create, okay, no. So first of all, I think baby steps will be to just send a message from the
mhm.
client, as in whether that is maybe console.log, anything, to
Did you?
the web server. Sorry.
Okay. Did you deploy the default route so we can get back a message or whatever you called it? You changed the name of the route. I don't know.
Actually, no, I didn't.
Because
So
yeah, I remember last time.
yeah, you're right. So okay, cool. In that case, I'll share my screen
Sounds good.
and I'll quickly do that so that we can move on to the front end because I really don't want to give it too much time as in for the back end anymore. This was just a practice that I was doing for Git training.
Oh,
All right,
nice.
look at that. Oh my. Forgot to hear them. Okay, cool. So now this is in my, actually what I'm gonna do is delete all the folders that I don't need. That one's done. Yeah, gone. Perfect. Should be all. And we need to go to SAM API and WebSocket integration. Cool. Right. So we would want to actually make use of our default function. So I think I'll just name it as default function.
It's a great name.
Make it short as possible because we've already learned our lesson.
I don't. Yeah. Man,
Yeah.
looking through this templates is tough. If there's like a small error.
True, true. Exactly. It's function name
Wah,
that
wah,
one.
wah.
Right,
That's what it felt like to me.
right. Yeah.
Wah,
I know
wah,
you're feeling
wah.
though.
Need like a sound effect on the show for that moment.
Well. Yeah, and that's actually a good pick you got on there, and that's basically part of the Streamlabs as well. I just need to somehow find some motivation to actually get the overlay done.
Oh, gotcha.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay,
I like.
cool. So,
uh,
mhm.
I can't. I'm not like useful, but I watched like a whole stream on streaming from another dev I like that I always say, oh, you guys should watch Learn with Jason, but you
Mhm.
don't. But you never listen. Nobody ever listens to my suggestion. But he makes like he has like good overlays and like makes really funny stuff.
Ah, right, I see. Disconnect from default. I see. Yeah, that makes sense though. I think what I want to do is change that to follow the convention. So default root default, yeah, that's fine. Default root permission. Actually, is this default lambda permission or what? See, I'm becoming confused now. No. Default lambda, yeah. Okay, so
Not
I've got function, I've got the permission. I would need these connect root and connect integration. So if I do them over here and just change these to default root, yeah, connect, this would go to default, connect root operation name one, disconnect, no, default integration, default, yeah, there we go, and then connect default integration. Zoom in a bit for those watching. Right, so our function comes here now. Cool, that makes sense. Default function, yeah, and default. Okay, I think that should be alright, isn't it? Hello?
let's hope so, yeah.
Yeah,
Let's hope so.
and I need to add, yep, that's already there. Cool. Let's insert that one in and see what this says.
Uh-oh.
What happened?
I hear them. They're coming, man.
Don't tell
You
them
better
my
you
don't
better
tell them
finish
my
you
address.
better finish that deployment.
Yeah, okay. I think
Hurry.
as soon as I do that, they're not gonna come here, isn't it? There you go. Done.
Nice.
Oh, I can't hear them anymore.
Then that means that's a good signal, man. I like that signal. It means it passed. The deployment has worked.
Brilliant. Okay, just want need to do something really quickly,
Hmm.
and then we can take it from there. Just bear with me for a bit.
Yeah, sure thing. Do Australians like honking in traffic? You're
Yeah,
like, yeah, why are
yeah.
you even asking?
I
Some places
thought
like here,
you
here
Australian, Corey.
they don't really honk here. It's polite.
Yeah, I guess Australians are really as in strict on the rules, and if unless you have an L plate or a P plate, if you do any mistake, you will get honked at. You will, as in there's no running away from honking. But if they see you're an L plate or a P plate, then they become a little bit patient with you.
Gotcha.
Is that how it happens in US as well? I've never been there.
It kind of depends on the area. Like like if it's in the city, then you just honking because you're bored.
Oh, really?
You just honk because you're driving, basically. In some places, you just honk.
Right, I
But
see.
other places, like it's not so common, but you can get honked. Here is like
Mm-hmm.
almost never honking. I swear. So
Ah,
yeah, it's very
right.
like it's very different in my
I
experience.
see. I see. All right, the thing has failed, and we have
No, no,
we
no,
have
no.
I think I know where I failed. Delete function, delete lambda. Where did it say I failed? So config default lambda permission. Where does it say config default lambda permission? Oh, because I'm renaming it. Right. Okay, that can't happen. I guess. So if I go to config lambda permission, if I do this, lambda permission, default lambda, default lambda permission. Okay, cool. Let's delete that, and let's let's delete the stack and recreate it.
Okay.
Raw coders. Rar coders. There we go. Ah, I forgot to do this. I really have to
Give a roar.
enable it. Huh?
Give a roar.
No, as in
Rawr.
rar. My MFA.
Okay. Yeah, because we
Yeah,
got top-notch security over here.
exactly. Security comes first, even before coding.
Mm-hmm.
It doesn't matter if we don't have the code or not. The repos has to be secured, even if
That's
it's
right.
blank.
Your credit card must be secured, Zane.
True.
That's like the thing that always wigs me out about AWS or any of the cloud providers.
Uh-huh.
It's just like how powerful it is if someone has a root access,
Oh,
you know?
then you can basically forget your account, to be honest, and your credit card balance.
I know. It's kind of scary, the stories I've read before. Somebody accidentally posting an API key and committing it to Git and then putting it
Out.
up, and then like some bot gets the key,
Yeah.
and then they wake up, then there's like a $10,000 bill on their account, and like all these EC2 instances mining crypto.
And he'll be like, he'll be getting emails from AWS. Oh, you have gone above the threshold, and he'll be thinking, oh, it must be just $10 or $5. But when the bill comes, what, 20 grand for what?
Yeah. Oh
That's
man,
basically that.
I'm running away.
I don't exist anymore.
Yeah.
uh, right.
It's,
Do a build. Okay, and then there we go. Hopefully this time it deploys perfectly.
let's hope so.
Fingers crossed. I'm just checking, have we got the E? Yeah, this didn't change, did it? Which is fine. Oh, by the way, have you taken those LinkedIn exams or the skills
Yeah,
assessments?
I've done a bunch of them.
Oh, nice one.
I'm lame like that. Whatever I can do to help my LinkedIn, I do it.
Yeah, I think it's a really good practice and to have a bit of a revision of your technical skills, especially.
Yeah, I mean some of the questions depending. Well, I can't speak to all of the ones I've taken because it was a while ago. I can't really remember, but some
Mm.
of them are like some of them are a little dated.
Oh, right, I see.
I'd
I
say,
see. Mm-hmm.
or a little bit all over the place. I'd say
I
too
see.
sometimes, but
Yeah.
I think that there were like two I failed, and I had to like wait like 3 months or something.
Oh, right. So if you fail, you need to wait 3 months to retake it, is it?
Something like that, yeah. I
Okay.
mean, I don't know
I
how
didn't
much
know
these
that.
assessments like honestly help your algorithm on LinkedIn or not.
Yeah, I don't basically know because what I'm doing is part of my work training, as in I do the train, for example, I do the Git training first and then take the exam at the end of the course.
Hmm.
Yeah, that's all. So, okay, cool. So this is done. We need to get the endpoint, which is right in front of me. Why am I even opening the next one? Yay, we have all our routes here. All right, let's see if that actually worked. Did it? Okay, and then if we send the message action and then default, they should give me back that message from Lambda. So the message is coming, but we have an internal server error as well.
From the Lambda.
Uh, to be honest, I'm not entirely sure. We'll need to check. Let's go and have a look.
I think that was there before. I think it had to do with like the return, like the return, what you're
Right,
returning back from the Lambda. And
right, I
I think
see.
we were trying to solve the problem where it was sending back two messages, and then we just said, okay, we'll just leave it.
So this has come back to us now.
Kind
Disconnect.
of.
Where's the default one?
I was hoping it would just fix itself, to be honest.
Yeah, true. Like, whoosh. Fixed.
Just had enough rest.
Yeah, true. Okay, this is the function. When you check, what was that triggered as? Okay, this is the trigger. Okay, cool. So this is, yeah, this is triggered fine. I don't see any problem here
I think
at
it
all.
has to do. I think it's the return in the lambda. If you check out the code for that lambda, yeah,
This one?
it's. I think it's giving you an internal service error because it's not returning anything.
So I could do basically this, isn't it?
Or status 200.
Over here.
I mean, back to the like. You don't need to like. You can make a new line, right? You can await
Oh, okay,
and
I
make a
see
new
what you
line
mean.
and just
Yeah.
return back a 200 status code. It's probably enough to make it happy. Maybe it needs to be an object. I
It
don't know.
does actually.
Okay.
It will do.
Appease the
Don't know what
lambda.
was I thinking.
Appease the
Okay,
lambda.
let's what? Oh my.
Oh no, I have to deploy it again. Ugh.
Okay, cool. All right. Let's do that without wasting any time. Actually, have I saved it? I don't remember. There we go. Now it's saved. By the way, do you know anyone who's good at designing?
I already have a guy, but he hates it. He used to be a designer.
Ah, or we can pay him. I don't really
he
mind.
might he might do it then, yeah.
Oh,
He's
money talks.
he studied yeah, money always talks, dude.
Yeah.
He studied graphic design. I just don't he's like I can ask him, he works a lot.
If you
So
can, yeah, that'd be great
I don't
because
know if he has the time, but I can ask
yeah,
him.
like yeah, if you can, because to be honest, I'm really tight on time myself, which is why I'm willing to outsource it.
I feel like I should know somebody else who does it too, but I have to think about it.
Yeah, yeah, that'll be actually really helpful.
Sure, yeah, I'll ask him.
Hmm.
I mean, I don't know if is there like a time that
Just
you want it done by?
basically as soon as possible, because I've actually taken a monthly subscription for now, as in just to try the new software for for the first month and see how we go. And if it all works out, then yeah, perfect. We'll subscribe to it
Okay.
for a year straight away.
And the budget is a blank check.
I I'm not that rich, man. No, I'm not rich
Whatever
at
you
all.
want. Yeah, however much money. He said it's fine.
Yeah, just basically ask him how much would he be willing, and then I'll have to check if it's even my budget.
Yeah, I have
I
no
mean,
idea. I would
he
imagine
must be. Hmm.
sometimes I'd say depending on well, it depends on what you're doing, but I imagine it's not necessarily cheap, I guess. I mean, I don't know.
So it wouldn't really be that hard at all because I know that the themes are already there. All it needs to be is just drag and drop, but because I don't know the software at all, so everything I want to do, I need to research first,
Yep.
come back, research first, come back, and
Yep.
that's really time consuming
It is.
for me. Yeah. Okay, cool. So let's check this out now. Oh, it worked.
Nice.
Nice. You rock, Tori.
Thanks, man.
Oh,
You rock too.
thanks, man.
You rock
All right,
too.
cool. So now that we have got this, I think in Lambda, we basically need to pass in the object from the front end, isn't it?
Okay. Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, yeah. So we just have to basically pass in some string, and then this string will get replaced by a kind of variable here.
Okay. I'm sharing my screen.
Cool, fantastic. Cool. Your screen is on now.
What is it called? WebSocket? Huh?
Yeah.
Why are there two? Why are there two?
Oh, because one is the URL itself, and the other one is the
Oh, URL. Gotcha. I'm
yeah.
tired. What the heck? Okay, so all you need to do then is this WebSocket send, and then we just for starters, right? We have the action, and then it's just default, right?
I think so. Yeah. Wouldn't
Why
the
is
action be as a string as well?
it won't matter. It'll be
Okay.
stringified.
Okay. Cool.
And let's see here. So we want to take this send message function, and so we got this on connect function. All right, so this should be on open, and then basically when this event is over, then we want to send a message. I think there's like a thing too where called is ready. Is it close, open? Yeah, so basically you can do a check if it's open. And then if it is, like, you can do that send function, send message function. You don't have to do it like this way, honestly. If it's me, you know what I would do? I would say, I would do return new promise. You probably hate me right now. Resolve reject, and then I'm gonna resolve this open event. Do you ever use these?
No.
Okay.
Because after this is done, you'll probably have to explain me a little bit of it, because
This is how you make a promise in JavaScript. So if you ever want to make code asynchronous,
yeah.
then this is how you do it. So you have this like resolve, and then for reject you would do like some situation like the error. So if you had the exception, you could
Mhm.
reject on the error, and then this. So now I can make, if I wanted to, I can make this function here asynchronous, and then I can await for
Of
this.
course.
So
Yeah,
that
of course, because you're promising it. Yeah.
Yeah, that's the whole purpose of this. So basically, instead of guessing when the connection is open now, the WebSocket handshake is done. I'll know as soon as this promise is returned because I'm resolving it on the open.
Mm.
I mean, honestly, you don't even need to resolve the event. It's pretty useless. You just resolve here, return this resolve. Uh, this parameter allows you to return back some data from the promise.
Right. I see. Yeah, that would make sense.
Let's open for business. And now
Right.
once we
Yes.
know it's open, we can drink that water. Then we can send a message, and hopefully that will send the message. And now, do we have something that's listening for a response or no? I don't think so, right?
No, not yet.
Okay, perfect. So we can I can just do this right here for now, and then we can just move it.
Yeah, for sure.
We can do WebSocket.
Just bear with me for 2 minutes. I need to get my charger. All right.
No worries.
All right.
Okay, I think we got everything we need. All I did was add this on message event listener from the WebSocket API, and that basically just listens for events, and that's pretty much all you need to do. So basically,
Right.
yeah,
I
it's
see.
quite simple, honestly. So
Interesting.
then in here, like from this event um, event object, you will get
Hmm.
like, I don't know the shape of it when it's going to come
Yeah.
back right now
Hmm.
from the Lambda, but usually it's like event.data, and then you would have
Yeah.
to
Yeah.
parse it, JSON parse it, and then you'll get a JSON version of the message with the string, like hello from default Lambda or whatever.
Yeah. That would make sense though. Yeah.
You
Cool.
wanna? How do
Yep.
I?
Just have a try.
How do?
You probably have to change the WebSocket URL, so I'll give it to you.
Oh, okay. And how do I start up the?
Have you got live server?
Uh, maybe disabled. Of course, it's disabled. Do I need to reload? Oh, I don't need to reload. That's nice. Okay, good. All right, so this is the new endpoint. Oops.
Actually, you know what you might want to do? Have you got environment.js file?
No.
Right. Do you wanna maybe create one?
Sure, and you just send me the information?
Yes, I'll send you the information, and then what you can basically do is just put the URL in the environment variable.
Okay. What is it?
And I'm just getting it. I'll just copy and paste it, and in that way you can just copy and paste it over your side.
Okay. What do you have in here? Some type of object?
There we go.
Is it some type of object or something?
Yes, yes. So it's a env object.
Is this?
It's in the
Oh,
private chat.
gotcha. Okay. So it looks like this, and then you have something like URL.
Yeah,
Okay,
exactly
gotcha.
that. So if you put the URL in the you know better. I know.
Gotcha, I gotcha.
Why am I talking to you?
You're doing good. You're
in
doing good.
JavaScript?
Oh man, you're good. You're good. I don't know JavaScript. I'm still learning, dude.
We're always learning, mate.
Yeah,
Always learning.
always a lot to learn. I'm sure
Exactly.
there's like a lot of like I focus on the front end, so I mean you do I don't
Right.
know a lick of C#, so this isn't a
True.
competition anyways.
Yeah.
Like in backend stuff, no, I'm not good at it because I don't do it.
Yeah. True
though. Hey. Oh jeez, don't
though.
start. I think there's a cat. I think
Yeah.
there's a cat nearby. Hey guys, please. Thank you. They freak out when my dog loves it when there's a cat. Okay,
Really?
so yeah. Live server, I will open it with
Yeah. Do you want to share your screen?
Oh right, my bad. Let me close this too. Which HTML file do I open? Index.html?
Home. Because if you
Oh, it's home.
try and
Okay.
doing that in that way, it's not gonna work.
Okay.
You can probably just run it from the terminal as a live server, and then it will. Okay, here we go. Anyway. Yeah. So create a board.
Okay. And then
Yeah.
go.
Think I would know what the problem is. You probably haven't got the URL. ENV
No,
is
it
not
says
defined.
ENV
Yeah,
is not.
yeah. So I'll give you the URL of the API gateway as well, and then you can deploy that. As in have that in your thing.
Wait a second. ENV dot.
Um,
Where? No, I did something wrong. Where does this come from?
no. I know exactly what is needed. You know the env.url. That is for the API gateway. So we would need to make another constant variable in the environment.js file.
Okay, so go in here and make another variable.
Oh, maybe I think the problem is that the naming of the environment.js file is different to what is referenced. So you know where you named the env.js.
Yep.
Do you want to rename it as environment all lowercase
Oh,
.js?
oh. .js. Really? Okay. Oh, my bad, dude. I opened
No,
it.
no, I should have told you.
Hold on.
You were doing it in front of me, man. So I should have told you
All
before.
right. There. Well, it's just the endpoint, right? Okay. So it's an but it's a JS file.
Yeah, yeah.
.env.js.
Yeah.
Huh. That's interesting. How does that work?
What do you mean?
I've never used this type of file before.
Oh, go back. Hang on. What are you talking about? I I completely missed you.
.env.
Oh no, what I meant is environment as in full ENVIRONMENT, all lowercase. So that would be the file name.
Can you spell it in the chat for me?
Okay. Here we go.
Oh. Huh. Is that like a special type of file?
To be honest, I just learned this technique from online where a person
Huh.
had all the environment variables in in a file, and then he just put that file in git ignore.
Interesting. Okay. Yeah, I'm used to using environment variables type files like .env files, but I've never
So
seen this
is that the
environment.
best practice?
Yeah, that's better practice.
Okay, so in that case, we can just keep it in the way you have done it, and reference that file in the code by
Yeah. Okay.
changing it. Yeah, because I didn't know what the best practice is.
So
That's
usually
why.
you have a file called like .env or
Ah,
.env.local or
right.
something,
See.
and so you just make that, and then you get ignore that. So I can just call it .env.dev or whatever,
Yeah.
right? And
Mm-hmm.
then inside here you just have key values. So we can do URL and then
Ah,
equal, and then I mean this is how you make a comment is by
yeah,
using
of
the
course.
pound.
Yeah.
Um,
Hash, you mean?
or yeah, hash, and then this is like AWS API gateway endpoint.
Ah,
This is
okay, yeah,
optional,
that's a good one. Hmm.
right? I can't remember if the spaces matter, so I'll just put the underscores. But then basically here you just give it a variable name, a key name, and then inside here I just put the variable, and you don't need to put like quotes or strings or anything. It's automatically going to be a string.
Ah, this is a lot easier and a lot meaningful as well.
Yeah. It's. I mean, at least on the front end, this is the way I usually see, or at least I've learned the way it's done. Um,
Mm-hmm.
so I mean, this is actually the only way I really learn. So I don't know if this is still the best practice, but that's the way I've always seen it explained.
I see.
Um,
I see. So because you have changed the file name, you probably want to go into home, the HTML, and index.html to change the file name that's being imported there.
this
Yeah,
one.
yeah.
Okay. What are these importing? Oh.
So yeah.
Oh, okay. I see how you got this to work. I understand now. So you were importing the script and then gotcha. So in this case, we probably won't even need this now.
Oh, okay. Interesting.
Because well, actually this may not work because usually I use something like a bundler. So
Oh. Hmm.
yeah, maybe it's not gonna get injected then. Right. Because usually I wonder if live server will do it. So you would do something like process.env, then the
Hmm.
name of your file. But I think this isn't going to work because usually you need some like type of bundler or some type of like Webpack or
Hmm.
blah, blah, blah to basically inject these environment variables for you at
Mm.
build time.
Yeah, yeah. I see.
Kind of like in the Lambda, like you can set environment variables too, right?
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
Um,
Process is not defined.
what happened? Odd.
Probably you want to do it in home.html as well, because that's referenced in two places.
Let's see if it showed up. Okay, yeah, process is not defined
Hmm.
because that's a node thing. So I think the other way you had it is good enough for now, and then in the future it can be revisited.
Okay.
The other way to do it is there's a very popular package called .env. And this basically loads environment variables for you.
Hmm.
Um, but like usually I'm using something like React. Wow, 24 million weekly downloads.
Wow.
Yeah. So that I'd say that's probably the most popular one
Hmm.
for working with
Yeah, of
environment
course.
if you need it.
Okay. Hmm.
But
Keep that in mind.
I'll, I'll just I'll just revert this back to the way it
Cool.
was for now.
Cool.
Okay, that's good. And then we have this. Just gonna delete it for now. Okay, and then we have this environment JS. Whoops. And then and then um
Um,
and then
What happened, Tori?
nothing.
Nothing
Nothing at
happened.
all.
Yeah.
And then and then okay, I think I just need to go in here and edit the environment JS file real fast. What did you send me in the chat? So it's okay. Const. Wait, that's the same thing I have.
Oh, the URL must have changed because we just redeployed it. Hang on a minute, I'll check what the latest one is. Just give me
Okay.
a minute. Yeah, so this is the URL. Yeah, send it to you through the chat.
Um, Thanks. All right. Updating that. Can I just use the delete key? Okay. Okay. Wow, it's bug season, dude.
I know.
There's
I
a
can
lot
see
of
all
bugs.
the. I
Oh,
can see all
so
the bugs
so
over there. Yeah.
so every
Yeah.
year, um, every year around this time of year, like there's what are they called? They're like termites, actually. The
Mhm.
termites.
Mhm.
They come out of the ground and they do this thing to breed.
Wow.
Yeah, and then it's really annoying because it lasts for like 2 weeks and they just make a mess.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
they're really dumb. They just fly towards the light and then lose their wings and then
Mhm.
basically die, and then like everything else eats them in like 2 seconds.
Hmm. Mhm. I see.
Um, huh. Why is this still a problem?
Do you want a hard refresh?
Oh, you think it's the cache? Mm, still a problem with that ENV
Oh, can you go back?
too.
Client, what? Hang on. It says the environment.js file isn't found in home.html. So did you
Oh, okay.
change the file back to where it was?
Yeah, it's called environment.js.
Do you want to check the spelling?
It's right because
Okay.
get ignore picked it up.
So that's not found on core reference or env is not defined.
Please.
Can you go back to the
Oh,
the yeah?
wait. I think I
So,
do know the problem. That file is inside of client. Hey guys, please. You guys are really annoying. Unexpected token export. Open with live server. Come on.
do you want to go to your environment.js file?
It found it now. Okay. I'm not getting that error that it didn't find it. It says, oh, okay. All right, let me fix this on the side here. All right, I
Cool.
think I know the problem. There we go. That's working. You get
Reading slow.
some. What is this?
Generate report.
Okay, that's some onload thing. All right, I don't know what that is.
Did you get? Did you do a git pull? Right at the start.
Yeah.
Okay, that's interesting.
All right, let's see.
Press go. Go to the console. Access to no,
Of
no, no,
course.
no, no. Don't even try. All right, all right, all right, all right. That's enough. We'll come back to this
it,
one.
it
Can you
it
get rid
must.
of the screen?
Yeah, it must. Oh, oh, my bad. It must be the cores. I mean, it must just be like the way my environment is set up, or you're like, are you blocking my IP or something?
Actually, let me check on my end if I've got the same problem.
Like, did you set up cores to only work from your IP address or something?
Oh, sorry, my bad. My bad. Can you actually append this to the URL that I gave you?
Oh, Oh, the
I
board.
think
Okay.
we need to get you some kind of a cool background because these flies are really creating not a good look at all.
Yeah, I was worried that they would come out. Then next time I'm just gonna move inside.
Cool, man. Yeah, that'd be
What the
great.
heck? Yeah, board. Just don't look at my screen. I'm going off. I'm going off mic. I'm going off. It's embarrassing, dude. Is this working now? No?
Go to console.
Why is it not working? Still
Actually, I'll check my one.
still blocked.
Don't worry, don't worry. It might just be some really minor thing that's causing it. Let me have a look. Do 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 do.
Oh, wait a second. There's a typo. My bad. Hold on. Hold on. I had a typo.
Okay.
Let's see if this fixes it. Didn't look like it did. Oh, wait.
It's working for me.
Oh, it worked. It worked finally. There we go.
Fantastic.
Woo!
Yeah, boy.
Okay,
You
but
got
the WebSocket connection failed.
it. Okay, we can basically come back to that one afterwards. Have you got the right one? I'm just
Yeah,
checking.
you wanna make sure it's the right endpoint.
It's in the private chat right at the top, the latest one.
Okay. Yeah, I think it's the same thing. It's weird.
No, it's not.
Oh, it's different?
Yeah.
Huh. Thought I updated it. Um, blah, blah, blah. Oh, you're right. It is different. Okay, let's give that a go.
Mm-hmm. Oh, now you would have to start the process again. Yeah. You shouldn't be able to do
Ah!
that. Yeah, that's working. Yeah, boy.
Okay, and now let's check the console. No errors from the WebSocket, but that
That's pretty
function,
cool.
the function didn't get fired. Or
I'll check on the function itself.
let's see here. Everything, this onload function is getting called, right?
Should be, yeah. So default, we need the default.
Oh yeah, it
Yeah,
was because I remember I saw this error. So wait on connect.
23rd. Yeah, it did get called. Actually,
It's
I don't
odd.
think it did get called.
So nobody connected?
Actually, I'm gonna check that as well. It's good you pointed it out to check even if someone connected.
I think somebody did because otherwise it should error out. Where's this on connect function?
Um, can you try and connect again?
Yeah. Just double checking my code here.
Yeah.
Did promise resolve. This looks good to me. The WebSocket. Try this. Should catch any exception. Logging the event. See, that's weird. I didn't see any of the on open event get logged.
I see.
I don't know why. All right, I'll go back here. Can I reload the page? Oh no, I can't. Okay, so I gotta go back. Tori, do I have to keep creating new boards?
Yeah.
Oh, I can't hit the
You
enter
won't
key.
be- Yeah, that's a kind of a bug that we need to work on.
That's pretty easy
Yeah.
for me. For me, sorry.
Okay. How about if, when you have time, do
I
you
don't.
mind?
I don't.
I I had to try. I had to try. Come on, you have to give me a credit for that.
I wish
I
I
had to
had
try.
time. I wish I
No,
had
no,
time. Man.
that's understandable. Yeah,
That's weird. Still still nothing logged in the console.
hang on. I'll check in Dynamo if something has come up. Yeah.
Wait,
So it is inserting the connection ID in DynamoDB,
okay.
which
Did
is
I
good.
write? Maybe I wrote some bad code then.
Let me just check the default function as well.
Where is this getting called?
15,
Where is this
23rd.
getting called? This is getting called at the top. So this is definitely running. And you are connecting. So there's
Okay,
no.
so
Yeah.
no, there is no log, so it's not triggering it.
All right.
Not triggering the
Oh.
default Lambda, apparently.
But it is connecting.
Yeah, it's connecting.
That's odd. So it's just not. How come we're not getting a? All right, let me try this without the. Maybe I messed up by putting some accidental bug in here. Wait a second. Okay. I found the problem. This is getting stored here. Whereas, what's this?
That's the JavaScript object.
Okay. Okay. Lowercase. Okay, so this will go up here. All right. And then this should be WebSocket lowercase. There we go. That should work.
Right, I see.
Yeah, before it was like getting the WebSocket constructor from the Java blah blah blah.
I see.
All right.
Just go to DynamoDB and run it.
Promise cannot read type of null.
Interesting.
Hold on, there's a type error. Okay, so there's a type error right here, this confirmation prompt. So I'm just gonna comment this out for a second.
Yeah, that's fine.
It's for whatever reason that's throwing an error. You're gonna have a lot of Tory boards. What? Oh, I hit enter. Stupid. Okay. Ba-bam! WebSocket open for business.
So
Okay.
so how are we getting any response from the Lambda?
Not yet. There was still one more place I needed to fix my mistake there. Oh, bam! Message received. This is a message.
This is look at you.
So it is in the data.
Yeah.
So
Right. I
all
see.
you have to do here later on is
just get vendor data, and there we go.
And I'll leave it at that. Yeah.
Yeah, perfect.
Good work.
Good work. Sorry.
I don't know
that
what's
was,
up with this though. There's some to do here with this thingy.
yeah,
That was throwing some exception.
mm-hmm. Would have to figure it out though. I'm pretty sure it would be a really simple thing as always.
Okay.
Yeah. Perfect, man. That is phenomenal work from you. Thank you for that. Do you want to push this code?
I'll push it. Oh,
Yeah.
I forgot. I need to write the other post too. Oh,
That's
I'm
right.
sorry. I'm doing ClickOps stuff.
Click off. Come
Wait,
on,
what
Tori.
what
Terminal is
changed
the
in
way.
here?
Terminal is the way. Yeah.
What changed? What changed? Oh, my bad. Oh, I think I'm silly. I think Prettier is running. Yeah.
Oh, right. I see. Yeah.
Oh no, that's not good. That's not good. Hey, hey, jeez, leave me alone. Okay, I will figure out how to push these changes and turn off Prettier
Okay.
because
Yeah,
it
that's
formatted a
fine.
bunch of code, and
Cool.
then I'll push it
Yeah,
up.
perfect. That sounds brilliant. Not a problem at all. And I'll just switch the screens to two people only. Cool, guys. Thanks a lot for watching. This has been really productive session. And we did make a really good progress. The got to send the message from the client and then receive the response from the Lambda, which was in WebSocket server, back to the client, which is fantastic. If you want to check out how we do the next step, come and join us tomorrow, same day. No, I spoiled it myself. Same days.
Get some sleep.
All right.
Get some sleep.
Action retake. 3, 2, 1, cut. Okay, cool. So join us tomorrow, same time, same place, and
Different task.
that's the one, baby. All right, we'll see you tomorrow. Catch you guys later. Have a good night.
Have a good night. Thank you.